It's a lot safer walking on the street than an icy sidewalk that nobody knows how to clean. Even if they do clean it, there is no ice melt or salt. Hey, I'm Fish. Hey, we were supposed to get up to 3 inches of snow, but we got ice instead. I think I'm walking on the wrong side of the street. We're supposed to walk on the opposite side. Oncoming traffic, that is. Well, city parks supposed to keep sidewalks clean. I think I'm going to carefully do a round or two. So I'm trying to figure out, and I watched a video of an F1 brought into the desk in the front and on the spin display. They brought it in there and they made it look, you got it, like a car racing on the track in a black background. I need to have to figure out how they did that RGB, you got it, image. And it's not that easy. I heard AI can do a lot of things, but there is got to be a program, something like Blender. Ice runners, you can hear them crunching on the ice. And that's what I'm doing out here. Yeah, I think I'm going to retire the MT08 Ulanzi mini tripod. It's, I feel it shaking. Look at the tree here, man. It's got icicles, ice all over. And that's where you have a nice close-up lens to do the shot. I'm off the sidewalk and on the frozen ground. At least I could walk without slipping and sliding. And I think I'm behind a couple of videos. I think somebody rode on the snow to dump their garbage back there. Unbelievable of people where they just dump garbage. There's 3 big piles in the park. Maybe they could build a snowman to cover it up. So let me get back to my talk of the 3D hologram. And I guess the only way it is to ask the people who made that video of that F1 racer coming in. I got a 3-tier hologram, 125 cm, that's 48 inches tall. And yeah, once you get it working and get all the kinks and bugs out, everything works just fine. And what I think I am going to do is tear the bad boy down and share my fun on a live stream on a nice, nasty day. Well, I had my talk, my share, my fun, my time. I gotta go take care of Joe. And Joe's going to take care of me. And I got a little beeswax to do. And on that note, I'm Fish in a winter wonderland. Right. I think I'm walking in the center so I can cover both sides. Let me get on out of here and safely get on home.